Hello guys, you are watching CPA Hacks. Before entering into this video, please subscribe my channel and like my videos and share this videos who all are interested in CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. So our YouTube channel is regarding making money through online. As a beginner, as an expert, anyone can work in online and anyone can earn in online. So this is the actual concept of our YouTube channel. So this video is going to be one of my favorite website, because as a beginner now itself you can earn some money through online. Okay, it's not a CPA marketing, it's not a affiliate marketing. Your customers don't want to do any task for you. This is just a simple trick. Just by doing a simple click, you will start earning some money in online. So this is really a big thing, right? So this video going to be a best video, and this is really going to be an interesting video. Please watch till the end. Okay, so and one more thing, if many people are asking for free training, and many people are asking for help, and many people are asking many doubts with me in Instagram and Telegram. For you people, I'm going to do a thing. What does that means? In my description, I'm going to give you a link where you can tell your doubts, where you can ask your doubts, where you can tell your problems. Everything you can do, you can do it in that link. Okay, so I'll give the link in the description. Just click on the link and tell what are the problems you are facing, your name, your phone number, tell everything. I'm going to give you a one-on-one free call. Okay, with me directly you can speak. With me directly you can ask any doubts. Okay, this is a one-on-one call for you and me. It's absolutely going to be free. This is not for any cost. This is totally free. I'll give the link in the description. You can ask me any doubts. Okay, so even though I will train you there, even though I will train you how to earn some money for absolutely free. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's move on to the video. Okay, so this is the website we are going to work on. Okay, this website name is Moneytag. Okay, in this video, in this website you can earn thousands of dollars per month. As a beginner also you can start earning some money. Okay, first sign up to this website, and this website looks like this. After successfully signing up, this website will looks like this. There are two types of method I'm going to teach you. First method is with website. If you have a website, means you can work with this first method is going to be with website, and the second video will be without website. If you have a website, you can use this method and start earning some money. If you don't have a website, means no issues. In the next video I'm going to tell you how to earn money without website. Okay, so after entering into this page, you have to give your website link here, and you have to copy this code and you have to paste it in your WordPress, and automatically you will get verified. You can see it here. Okay, you can see it here. See, my website has been verified now, so you can start working. Okay, after successfully it has been verified, click on create new ad, click on direct link. Okay, just get tag. Okay, click on get tag and you will get a link here. Okay, successfully you will get a link here. This is your earning process link. If somebody has clicked this click this link, means automatically you will get earnings. Okay, how the earnings and what all the earnings means, not a big issue. I'll tell you the things. Okay, if New Zealand people have clicked this link, means you will get 1 cent. United States people click, means you will get 0.1 cent. Okay, for each country separate earnings. If some people click from Canada, means you will get 0.8, and Australia 0.1 cent. Like this you will start earning money. This is not a big money. Okay, for per click you won't get any $1 $2, but I will tell you trick how you can earn $80 to $120 per day. It's a easy work. Okay, so we have left it here, right? After you have successfully copied the link, now the time is to get a traffic. You need a traffic, right? You need a perfect traffic. So for getting a traffic, I'll tell you a free website. Actually it is a paid website only, but I will teach you how you can use it for free. Come to the website called as Cpahacks. Okay, this is a paid paid website only, but don't worry, you don't want to spend any money, you don't want to spend any dollars here. I will tell you how to earn it for free. Come to this website, click on sign up, and automatically you will be redirected to this page. Okay, this email traffic is like this. You will see the ads. Okay, this is the advertisement page. Okay, by watching this advertisement you are going to earn some money. Okay, so by watching this advertisement you are going to earn some money. Okay, for an example, so this is my dashboard. Okay, this is my dashboard. I got only 10 credits. Okay, I got only 10 credits. So if you click on advertisement, and please wait a minute. Okay, so we are going to collect many points like 300, 500, 600 points. We are going to collect many points. Then we are going to use that point. We are going to use that points to post some advertisements. Okay, so for if we click this link means, if we click this advertisement, if we advertisement means we will get 10 points. Okay, for an example, already I got only 10 points in my dashboard, right? So let me click this. Okay, okay, I think I got a okay. Yes, stay in this page for at least 10 seconds. Okay, not more seconds, just wait for 10 seconds. Okay, just use this website up and down, just scroll it up and down. Okay, then come here and click on dashboard. See, we have received 20 credits. Okay, before clicking this ad I got only 10 credits. After clicking the ads we got 20 credits. Like this you have to click each and every ads and you have to collect many credits. Okay, you have to use many credits like this. Okay, after you have reached 20 or 30 credits, we are going to post our ad. Okay, click on promotions, click on create new ad. Give a title called as give us attractive title like free money. Okay, free PayPal money, and in the URL section you are going to paste the link. We have copied a link from here, right? So just copy this link and paste it here. Expected click. For an example, you got only 20 credits. Just give it 20 clicks, and the paper credit means got 20 credit. So you are going to pay some money to the people. So per click you are going to give 1 point to them. So they will get 1 point and you will get some money in this Moneytag website. Okay, this is the actual concept. You are going to give a simple money to them and you are going to earn in this Moneytag. Okay, like this you are going to earn. And the selected thing is publish and give some attractive images. Okay, give some attractive images, give some attractive content and click on submit. Okay, so after clicking submit, your ad will be under process. It will be under verifying process. Within a 5 or 10 minutes automatically it will be get verified and your ad will be posted in your dashboard. Okay, in this advertisement sessions, like here, like this ads, your ads also will be posted here. Okay, you can see this ads right in this place. Your ad also will be here. Okay, so this is the actual concept. For an example, per day you are getting where's the calculator? So per day you are getting 1500 clicks. Okay, per day you are getting 1500 clicks into per click you are getting money 0.1 cents. Okay, 0.1 cent. If we calculate it, you are getting $150, absolutely a pure profit per day. Okay, this is a pure profit just now before 1 or 2 weeks only we have find this website. This is a great source of income for beginners. Anyone can earn some money in this website. This is a pay-per-click method. Anyone can earn money. Out of 1500 people, just you are getting 0.1 cent per person, so you are getting $150 for absolutely free. Okay, so this is the best method, right? This is one of my favorite website. You also can earn like this. Okay, so with website I have taught you how you can start working, how you can earn money by this methods. This is with website method. Without website method, I am going to upload in the next day, which means tomorrow. 100% this website will be in the process. Okay, so this is the best video. Have a best earnings day. Okay, so start working and start earning some money. If you have any doubts, as I earlier said, I'll give the link in the description. You can ask any doubts there, and I will give you free one-on-one call with you and me. I will teach you a best method to earn with the one-on-one call. You don't want to spend any money for it. Okay, this is for absolutely free. If you want to join with me there, I'll give the link in the description. First link will be your problem solution link, second link will be Instagram link, third link will be Telegram link. Okay, you can ask any doubts there. Thank you, have a nice day, and tomorrow will be the second part. Please stay tuned. Thank you.